listening to what pains them, what's bothering them, and then figure out what you can do to make that client happy. And then in doing that, that's what's going to get you that job. You play off of that and you try to say, okay, well, if they're not cleaning, say they're missing the base of the toilets, you let them know, well, we train our people. We go through an extensive training process. We walk through and we point out different aspects. And one of the most important aspects that we point out is the necessity of touching each horizontal point in the bathroom or the office or wherever. And we make sure that our team comes in and that we're doing checks and balances, and we're, checking one another to make sure that we're hitting all these points. And one of the main points that we're going to point out or focus on for this account would be that. And you just play off of stuff like that.